Hello, living historians. I am long overdue for giving you an update on the series, and the one I'm about to share is pretty huge. I have signed a contract with TVO, which is Ontario's public and educational broadcaster, and they are going to be airing 8 episodes of Living History on TV. It's going to be a segment on their flagship current affairs show, The Agenda, with Steve Paikin, which airs weeknights at 8 and 11 p.m. So you can tune in on cable in Ontario, and they also stream the show live on their YouTube page. Thank you so much to everybody who has helped me get to this point. It's really, I could not have done this without your support, your subscriptions, your likes, your comments. Thank you so much, and if you're coming here from TVO, welcome. I'm really happy to have you, and I hope you'll find lots of great content on this channel. So the first episode is this Wednesday, the 17th of April, somewhere in the 8 to 9 block on The Agenda. Please check it out and make sure you tell TVO how much you like my series, and you never know, there might be more episodes coming in the future. Take care.